Ah! What's up, guys? Devin Adventure Hobby Passion. Doing another video today. And we got XO. Awesome drone inside. Yes, guys, I picked up a drone. I think this is a local company. I'm not 100% sure anymore. All their pictures and stuff on their website looked like it was a local company. And you know, they're just coming out with these new drones, and I was like, it's got a lot of features, especially for the price. So I was like, I think I'm gonna try it out. It fits this box perfect. Ages 14 plus. It literally, that box is like designed for this. Foldable design, select point intersect, extended flight time, optical positioning sensors, automatic home, 50 times camera zoom, triple axle anti-shake gimbal, waypoint flight compatible, dynamic 4K for aerial photograph. So I have 4K camera for pictures. From us all at XO, we'd like to personally thank you for choosing our drone. We promise you made the right choice with your X7 Ranger. Yes, that's the drone I got, an X7 Ranger from XO. I think it's pronouncing it right. But yeah, you're officially an XO pilot. That means it's time to put on the mud shoes, chug a coffee, and explore. Kicking it with a beer also works. All right, guess we'll just get the bag out. Dang, some very complex but simple packaging at the same time. This backpack is pretty nice. A little, I guess, like side pouch thing. It's pretty nice. It's got a handle in the front, pocket in the front, pocket in the rear. But yeah, we're gonna go read the instructions and then we'll come back. Maybe just get some montage of me flying it or something, charging it. We'll do something cool with it in this video. We're not just doing an unboxing. So yeah, we'll see you in the next update. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed that video. Yes, we got a drone now on the in the film team because it will follow me. That was my first flight I ever did. First battery charge, first flight. So just trying to get the little bit of hang of it. I have filmed it, flown it a few more times since. I am going to take it to the mountain soon and get some cinematic shots of my truck on the mountain. So and try to get a lot more of those kind of shots. That's the biggest purpose why I bought the drone. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. A lot more shots coming in 2022. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.